In today's review of AirFryBot AI, we're diving deep into 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about this just released AI software. Whether you're new to the world of AI tools or already familiar with similar platforms, this one has a lot to offer. Stick around till the end, and I'll also share where you can try it for free, so don't miss out. AirFryBot AI promises to revolutionize how we approach certain tasks with the power of artificial intelligence, and I'm going to break down the features that make it stand out. From its automation capabilities to how it makes day-to-day processes smoother, we're going to cover everything you need to know to decide if it's worth your time. First things first, AirFryBot AI is designed to automate tasks that usually require human intervention, whether it's data entry, content creation, or streamlining workflow. The software is incredibly user-friendly, with an intuitive interface that ensures you don't need to be an AI expert to use it. It leverages advanced machine learning algorithms that can process large amounts of data quickly and accurately, making it a game changer for efficiency. If you've used other AI tools before, you'll notice that AirFryBot feels like a natural step up in terms of both speed and precision. What I really love about AirFryBot is how adaptable it is. It's not limited to one specific industry or use case, which means it's a versatile solution that can be used across a wide range of fields. Whether you're in marketing, content creation, or e-commerce, you'll find this software can fit your needs. Imagine having an AI assistant that helps you automate everything from social media content scheduling to personalized customer outreach. It's like having an extra pair of hands working for you around the clock. Now let's talk about pricing. It's a huge factor for many when choosing new software, but AirFryBot keeps things simple with a flexible pricing model. And the best part? You can try it for free through the link in the description below. This means you can test the waters without making any commitment, which is a pretty rare offer when it comes to AI tools. One standout feature that I think really sets AirFryBot apart from its competition is its learning curve. Unlike other tools that can feel overwhelming for newcomers, this software's design focuses on making AI accessible. Even if you've never worked with AI before, the setup is simple, and their customer support team is always available if you need assistance. Another key benefit of AirFryBot is its ability to integrate with other tools. Whether you're using email marketing platforms, CRM systems, or analytics tools, AirFryBot connects seamlessly, allowing you to continue working with your existing software ecosystem. This means less hassle and more time to focus on what matters most, your business. For those of you who care about data privacy and security, AirFryBot has got you covered. It complies with industry standards for encryption and data protection, so you can trust that your sensitive information is safe. This is something you should definitely look for in any AI software, and it's reassuring to know AirFryBot prioritizes security. And finally, let's talk about scalability. AirFryBot is designed to grow with your business. As you scale up and your needs evolve, the platform adapts, whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise. You won't have to worry about outgrowing the software anytime soon. Now, I know there are a ton of AI tools out there, but after trying thousands of them, I can confidently say that AirFryBot stands out. It combines ease of use, powerful automation, and a price point that makes it accessible for anyone who wants to level up their workflow. So, don't forget, you can try AirFryBot AI for free by clicking the first link in the description below. After testing countless AI tools, I've gathered a list of the best ones, and I've linked them in the description as well for you to explore. Trust me, if you're looking for an AI software that's reliable and versatile, AirFryBot is definitely one you need to check out.